मद्रास। एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ 100 मीटर रन।
Second place goes to Vishnu SM from IIT Bombay.
Second place विष्णु SN IIT बॉम्बे 12.30 सेकंड के साथ उन्होंने 100 मीटर रन रेस किया। फोर्थ प्लेस को ऑनर प्रदान करते हुए हमारे डायरेक्टर We invite the third place, Sridhar MP from IIT Madras. अपनी जोरदार तालियों के साथ उनका स्वागत। तीसरे स्थान पर रहे हैं 12.7 सेकंड में उन्होंने 100 मीटर रन का रेस पूरा किया। Now come to the second,
Vishnu SN IIT Bombay.
and then
Shanu Chopra, the first place from IIT Roorkee.
Shanu Chopra from IIT Roorkee, first place. 12.20 timing for 100 meter run. Please put a big round of applause.
श्रीधर
बहुत मोटा तालियों के स्वागत शानू जी का। हमारा ग्रुप
आजा आजा आजा
And from IIT Madras.
Ashok and from IIT Madras, please come to the right.
And third place goes to Abu Das from IIT Dhanbad.
Apu Das, third place from IIT Dhanbad.
अशोक ब्रो
Present. So I would ask for the third place from IIT Dhanbad, if someone can come and take that ride from IIT Dhanbad at third place. Yeah. बहुत जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत।
थोड़ा इधर आ जाओ साइड में।
So इसको 100 मीटर रन में अगेन आई विल से अशोक एम IIT मद्रास
और 100 मीटर
Fourth place goes to Nagendran C from IIT Tirupati. Third place Sunil Shetty, IIT Jammu.
First goes to IIT Patna, Budhuram Kisku.
Singh, IIT Patna.
Please welcome Manish Singh from IIT Patna. 800 meter run. और हमसे है जमाना खुद, जमाने से हम नहीं। एक बार जोरदार तालियां आपके बीच में। So now we are having Kanpur. Please come forward. Come, run.
दौड़ के जाओ।
Third place goes to Abhash Kumar Jha, IIT Varanasi.
Abhash Kumar Jha, IIT Varanasi, IIT BHU, please come forward.
And the second place in men's 1500 meter run is being awarded to Sachin Kumar Singh, IIT
Again,
Madras.
Sachin Kumar Singh, IIT Madras, second place. Someone from their institute can represent them. Please come forward and take the prize. Third place,
It's IIT Madras. Third place goes to Vaibhav.
एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ इनका स्वागत करेंगे और ग्रुप पिक्चर। नाउ वी विल मूव टू मेंस हैमर थ्रो। And the fourth place goes to Deepak Dhanova from IIT Kanpur.
Third place goes to Anindya Sundar Pal Chaudhary, IIT Kharagpur. Second place, Anand Sansarwal, IIT Delhi. First, Rishi Prakash Dagar, IIT Delhi.
So first and second goes to IIT Delhi. Rishi Prakash D. Dagar from IIT Delhi got the gold. Anand Sansanwal, IIT Delhi. Second place, Anindya Sundarpal Chaudhary. Third place from IIT Kharagpur and Deepak Dhanova. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करेंगे आप सभी का. And we will move to men's shot put. एक ग्रुप पिक्चर सभी अतिथियों के साथ.
अरिंदर रुकिए सर. रेडी सर.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू फॉर. नहीं है हम. अक्सर कहा जाता है अरे सर आपकी तो उम्र हो गई, अरे सर कब तक खेलोगे. मैं एक वीडियो देख रहा था हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पे, आई थिंक सुभाष जी थे, मुझे दिख नहीं रहे लेकिन होता है ना, अरे सर आपकी तो उम्र हो गई. तो मैं कहूंगा कि शाखों से टूट जाए वो पत्ते नहीं है हम, आंधियों से कोई कह दे औकात में रहे. एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ नेक्स्ट इवेंट पे चलते हैं. मेंस डिस्कस थ्रो.
The fourth place goes to Anil Kumar Kushwaha.
Again from IIT Hyderabad. Anil Kumar Kushwaha, fourth place.
Third place goes to Sandeep Kumar Samal, IIT Bhubaneswar.
Sandeep Kumar Samal from IIT Bhubaneswar. I again request if the participant is not here, please come forward, someone from your institute to take this prize.
Second place goes to Rajiv Lochan Gogoi, IIT Guwahati. And the first place goes to Hardeep Antil, IIT Hyderabad.
The gold goes to Hardeep from IIT Hyderabad. एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करेंगे सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स का. I would request someone from IIT Bhubaneswar to take the prize of the third participant. Please come forward, run fast. And I would again request if you are participant here.
The fourth place goes to Chandrakanta Boro, IIT Guwahati. And the third place goes to Raveshwar Gawade, IIT Indore. Second place, Bipin Kumar Rai, IIT Varanasi. The first goes to Srinivas Pulwala, IIT Kharagpur.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां सभी चारों पार्टिसिपेंट्स के लिए. Now we will come to the very special awards. And I need your attention. अभी जो अवार्ड्स आने वाले हैं वो ऐसे पार्टिसिपेंट्स के आने वाले हैं 2055 प्लस. 100 meter run and 55 plus. The fourth place goes to Rana Pratap Yadav, IIT Varanasi. Please welcome with your huge claps. I need your special applause. जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए खासकर चाहिए. Fourth place, Rana Pratap Yadav, IIT Varanasi. Second place, Devobam Das, IIT Kanpur. Sorry, third place. Second place, Abdul Jah Mohammad, IIT Guwahati. And first place, Kalyan Kumar Bhattacharjee, IIT Dharwad. ये है वो सितारे ना, हमको मिटा सके ये जमाने में दम नहीं, हमसे है जमाना खुद, जमाने से हम नहीं. These all are the champions who proved it in this institute, and this is first time this category has been added to this staff sports meet. Congratulations to all of you. Then now we will go to the 50 plus 5,000 run. 50 plus 5,000 run. And fourth place goes to
Dhiren Chandra Sharma, IIT Guwahati. And the third place goes to Vijayanand SK, IIT Kanpur. Second place goes to Kinshuk Bhattacharya, IIT Kharagpur. And the first goes to Bharat Kumar K, IIT Tirupati.
जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत. Already requested special applause for these people. हजार वर्ष गिरे, लाख आंधियां उठे, वो फूल खिल के रहेंगे जो खिलने वाले हैं. और आपके सामने ये ऐसे लोग हैं जो शायद नई उम्मीदें, नए सपने लेकर अपने यहाँ जाएंगे. 50 प्लस 5,000 meter run. I would request again, 4th place, Dhiren Chandra Sharma from IIT Guwahati. Vijayananda SK, 3rd place, Kinshuk Bhattacharya, IIT Kharagpur, 2nd, and Bharat Kumar R, IIT Tirupati. For group picture, अपने कैमरों में कैद कर लीजिए हैं कि वो हैं जो इतिहास बदल रहे हैं. Thank you for coming to IIT Hyderabad and taking this pride. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here we comes to the best athlete. Any guesses? Any guesses? One name is any guess? Shanu Chopra, Nirmal, any other guess? It goes to Nirmal Kumar from IIT Madras. Please welcome with huge applause. कौन कहता है कि आसमां में सुराख नहीं हो सकता? इनके गले में जितने मेडल्स हैं वो देखिए और सोचिए कि कौन कहता है कि आसमां में सुराख नहीं हो सकता? तबीयत से एक पत्थर पे छालो यारो. एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ मेडल ट्रॉफी निर्मल कुमार को. The best athlete of Inter IIT Staff Sports Meet 2025. So now we come to the teams overall. There are 3 of them. Bronze, silver, gold. Bronze से शुरुआत करते हैं. Any guesses? और bronze? Second runner up. We will start with second runner up. Any guesses? क्योंकि second runner up पे कोई नहीं लेना चाहता. Anyone second runner up? The second runner-up goes to IIT Roorkee. All the team, I request all the team to come on the stage. IIT Roorkee, please come first. All the team on the stage.
First runner-up, Kharagpur. Can you please be at the stage?
So this is
First
a
runner-up.
men's category athletics overall championship. The second runner-up goes to IIT Roorkee. And then comes to the first runner-up. 18 points. I would like to invite entire team on the stage. IIT Kharagpur, fast. So this is the category men overall position. Second runner-up Roorkee, first runner-up Kharagpur. In athletics, any guesses for the gold? Champion. The team Madras. एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ मंच पर स्वागत करेंगे. IIT Madras with 30 points. But now we will announce the women's category 100-meter run, and the fourth place goes to
Shreyasi Ata, IIT Kharagpur. Swati S, the third place, with IIT Madras. The second place goes to Priyanka, IIT Varanasi. And the first
and connect with each other. एक बार जोरदार तालियां इन सबके लिए। एक बार जोरदार तालियां आप सभी की ओर से।
women 4200 relay. And the fourth place goes to IIT Bombay. Third place goes to IIT.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए। These are the team spirit. मैं अकेला ही चला था जानवे मंजिल मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया। अगर आप अकेले चलेंगे तो अकेले पहुंचेंगे, लेकिन साथ चलेंगे इनकी तरह तो कारवां बनेगा। एक बार जोरदार तालियां इन टीम के लिए, इस टीम स्पिरिट के लिए और यहाँ पर अपना बेस्ट गेम दिखाने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच। We'll have a group photo at last. And then now we have a special award for the women's category. The best athlete women. Purva Khetkar from IIT Hyderabad. They are providing the best athlete women 2 trophies.
प्लेन है कानपुर
And the first runner-up, we are having IIT Madras.
IIT Madras with 22 points. And the winner is IIT Roorkee with a count of 23 points.
So this time the winner IIT Roorkee, the team, I would like to come on the stage. Please come. The entire team on the stage as a first IIT Roorkee, the champion of athletic women. IIT Roorkee.
थोड़ा उधर से लीजिए सर, पूरा है।
Great. So now the athletics category has been
गुड।
चलो इसको
अभी से यहाँ भी अच्छी आ रही है भीड़ भाड़ के साथ में है। आशीष यहाँ भी तो ठीक आ रही है। अंडी
स्माइल थम्स अप शाउट।
यो भैया भर गया पोडियम, पोडियम भर गया।
आपसे बड़ा साहस की उम्मीद क्योंकि क्रिकेट हमेशा देश में सबसे बड़ा स्टेज लेता है। क्रिकेट इज ऑलवेज प्रोमिनेंट। I am also taking some more time, but we can go ahead with the football. I would request the cricket champions to come on board. I would request the teams to come down the stage. Kanpur, the second runner of IIT Madras. The fourth position is Kanpur. Second runner-up is Madras. The first runner-up is Dhanbad, and the winner is Guwahati.
आगे से ले, आगे से ले लो।
The second runner-up Madras, the first runner-up Dhanbad, and the winner is IIT Guwahati for football men. And now comes to the best player. On the stage football team, the fourth place IIT Kanpur, second runner-up IIT Madras, first is IIT Hyderabad, the winner is IIT Guwahati. So now comes to the best player of football men.
It is Tension of Guwahati. Best player, Tension, IIT Guwahati.
And the third place and the second runner-up is Jodhpur. IIT Jodhpur is the second runner-up. The first runner-up is IIT Madras. I would request someone representing IIT Jodhpur to come on the stage. Please come fast. Please come. The second runner-up, IIT Jodhpur. And the next is the best player. But we wait for the felicitation. एक बार जोरदार तालियां इन सभी के लिए कि हार हो जाती है जब मान लिया जाता है, हार हो जाती है जब मान लिया जाता है, लेकिन जीत तब होती है जब ठान लिया जाता है. These all champions are the example of this. Congratulations to IIT Hyderabad for winning the championship, and then first runner-up is IIT Madras, second is Jodhpur, and fourth place is Kanpur. The best player now comes. Any guesses? Any guesses? Any other? And the best player goes to Anil Kushwaha from IIT Hyderabad. खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे कि तेरी रजा क्या है. These all the champions has raised the bar in this sports complex. Congratulations to the entire. Please come forward and take the pride. IIT Bombay. Now we will come to the best player.
Best player is Navroz from IIT Kanpur. And the best player for squash is Navroz from IIT Kanpur.
Congratulations to Navroz from IIT Kanpur for being the best player for his squash. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Now we will come to the table tennis. Request the teams to come up.
And the winner, IIT Roorkee.
The men's category table tennis. Please come forward. The winners are IIT Roorkee,
Bombay!
IIT Kharagpur. The second runner-up are the IIT Delhi, and the fourth place secured by IIT Guwahati.
चलो
For men.
गुड.
This is for men's table tennis. Please come forward. May I have someone from IIT Guwahati who can represent IIT Guwahati at the fourth place. IIT Guwahati. The team of IIT Guwahati.
थैंक यू. अजय रुको 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 रुको. चलो चलो.
IIT Guwahati at fourth place. Please come IIT Guwahati joining the fourth place. Table tennis men. Table tennis men goes to Rahul Prakash from IIT Roorkee. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करेंगे राहुल प्रकाश फ्रॉम IIT Roorkee. Yes, from the best game for table tennis men. Now we will move on. The first runner-up is IIT Bombay, and the second runner-up is IIT Guwahati. The fourth place, please come forward, IIT Kanpur. The table tennis women's team is on stage. Please come forward fast. The winner is IIT Patna. The first runner-up IIT Bombay. The second runner-up IIT Guwahati. And the fourth place IIT Kanpur. Next is tennis men's. Be prepared. But before that, we will announce the best player. Even जोरदार तालियां. And now we will go to the table tennis women, the best player.
Shivangi Sri, IIT Patna.
Shivangi Sri from IIT Patna is the best player for the table tennis women.
Now let's go forward to tennis men. And the fourth place goes to IIT Hyderabad.
The fourth place to IIT Hyderabad.
Second runner-up is IIT Bombay.
Round of applause. First runner-up is IIT Roorkee, second is Bombay, and the fourth place is IIT Hyderabad. ये भरोसे है व्यवस्था निभाना की परीक्षा है.
अरे हटो चलन
से कदम दूर.
अरे क्या
बजा दी पीपली. बस खत्म. खत्म खत्म.
वो वाला चम्मच मिलेगा ना.
अच्छा, किसको मिलेगी?
Who is the champion for women? Now it makes sense. It goes to the IIT Roorkee. Please welcome. The entire men's team.
First runner-up is IIT Kharagpur.
The first runner-up is IIT Kharagpur. The second runner-up is IIT Madras. Please come on the stage. IIT Madras, second runner-up, with 26 points. And then IIT Kharagpur, the first runner-up, and the last we are. Please come on the stage. Now, who is the champion? Any guesses? Any guess? They are saying Roorkee. Anyone else? Who is the champion? Who is the men's category champion of IIT Staff Sports Meet? Yes! Please welcome IIT Roorkee men's team for the championship. Welcome. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. IIT Roorkee is the champion of men's category. focus on the last award. So now we are coming to the overall championship. I know the Roorkee people will say Roorkee. I want to hear from others. The overall championship winner. Any guesses? Any guesses? They have already hijacked the stage. Okay. So overall champions with the 48 points, IIT Roorkee. Please make some noise. Round of applause for IIT Roorkee team. Total 48 points. IIT Roorkee. Now we are going ahead. We're going ahead with the closing ceremony. Now I request all of you for a very for the tradition. I would request IIT Kharagpur and IIT Dhanbad. So now we are going to felicitate the tradition of the inter-IIT sports, where the flag will be handed over to the next host, which is IIT Kharagpur and Dhanbad. I request both the team to come up, and I request our guests, our registrar sir and the admin, the student, all the sports officers to come forward for flag down and handing over to these two IITs. Please come forward.
देख लेंगे पहले।
एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ इस परंपरा का स्वागत करें। We are handing over the flag after successful completion of inter-IIT sports staff meet 38th to the IIT Kharagpur and IIT Dhanbad. To remain here, we will have our national anthem before closing and then we will leave. Please be here. एक बार जोरदार तालियां, एक बार जोरदार तालियां आप सभी की तरफ से फ्लैग हैंडेड ओवर सेरेमनी के लिए। बेस्ट विशेष टू IIT Kharagpur and IIT Dhanbad for hosting the next center. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much. IIT Delhi, please come to the stage. Professor Pradyumna, if I can request to come on the stage. Now everyone, I need your 2 minutes only to close this. So we are having 3 contingents from IIT Delhi who are retiring this year. Mohammad Shamim, Sushma Bhatt and Vandana Ahluwalia. I would request all of the 3 to come on the stage and request our guests to felicitate them. Our Associate Dean Student Events, Professor Pradyumna, has come to attend the closing ceremony. It will be nice. Please come on the stage and felicitate these 3 people. Can I request Mohammad Shamim, Sushma Bhatt, Vandana Ahluwalia? Please come. Please come here. एक बार जोरदार तालियां।
इधर 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 लुक। हाँ
Thank you so much for your service. The excellent work you have contributed. Thanks a lot. Mohammad Shamim, Sushma Bhatt and Vandana Ahluwalia. Thank you so much for your contribution. Now we would like to move for IIT Roorkee. So there are some people who are also getting retired next year. I would like to call on the stage Miss Chandra Mohini, Senior Staff Nurse, serving IIT Roorkee since 1996 and participated in Inter-IIT Staff Sports Meet since 2010. Please come on the rise. She has been participating in the various events like table tennis, badminton, shot put, 100-meter sprint. Above all, 4 times IIT Roorkee women table tennis team has won a bronze medal in table tennis under her captaincy. This year also, she won the silver medal in badminton. Please put your hands together. Applause Miss Chandra Mohini, Senior Staff Nurse at IIT Roorkee. Next, may I invite Mr. Devashish Bhaumik, Senior Deputies in the Indian Air Force throughout India and 2 foreign countries, Sri Lanka and Ghana. Since his joining in the institute, he has been continuously participating in the event of table tennis in the Inter-IIT Staff Sports Meet, and since 2013, continuously and win medals, which include 2 gold medals, 1 silver medal, 7 bronze medals. This year, the table tennis men team of IIT Roorkee bagged the gold medal under his captaincy. Congratulations, sir, and thank you. All the best. You served our nation, then you served the IIT. All the best, and thank you so much.
My sincere appreciation to all the participants of IITs, team managers, coaches, staff athletes for your enthusiastic participation and sportsmanship. Especially thank to our technical officials, volunteers, ground staff, medical team, transportation, hospitality, media team, admin department, security, hospital, hostel office, MS section, accounts, CMD, PRO office, green office, MNR, physiotherapy and access team. If I miss anyone, I thank you one and all. I especially design department also. I especially thank
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जगति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय।
थैंक यू वन
वंदे।
I request all the participants and contingent leader. I request all contingent leader to please collect the receipt what you have payment done by for food and foundation and certificates and flags from the office. Thank you.
So, can I request all of you to sit in front of the stairs? We will have a group photo, a large group photo. Please come. IIT Kharagpur, IIT Madras. Please come down. Please come quickly. I would request our guests also to join for the group photo. I would request each one standing in this campus,
दो है ये,
whether player,
एक उसको दे दो।
whether somebody who has contributed, please join for the picture.
हाँ? अब इंटर आईटी यहीं पर खत्म होती है। क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये बोर्ड लगा हुआ है क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी का। तो फिर मिलेंगे अगले इंटर आईटी मीट में। तो तब तक तो मिलते रहेंगे, लेकिन ये इंटर आईटी मीट के स्पोर्ट्स